Correct. Units. Okay? So, what we're going to do is we're going to pass out the materials, and then we're going to see which units you all think we are going to use to be more accurate. Okay? So we want to get the most accurate as possible. So it's going to be up to you to decide what that is. Okay? Now, what I'd like for you to do is the task manager. Read the directions for the lab. So read through those lab directions, 1 through 6. And then when you've done that, the resource manager can come to the front of the room. Go ahead and do that in your groups, please.
Okay, identify your independent and dependent variables. Label the table appropriately. Measure the radius of a large circle. Task manager will go to a scale and weigh the circle to the nearest hundredth. Record your data in the table provided. Resource manager will cut out the next largest circle. Repeat steps 2 through 5 until you have 8 data.
Make sure your teammate here is on the same page. Ready to go? Resource manager up. Okay?
Okay, very good. Okay, so you get 1 circle, you get a ruler, and a pair of scissors. Okay? Now remember, keep those on the table when you're not using them. Okay? Harsh. What is the second step? Yep, very good. Go ahead and get 1 ruler and 1 scissors. Chris. All right, what was the independent dependent variables?
So when you're to measure, you guys decide would be best.
We weight it. 1 ruler, then ruler.
Uh-oh. Okay, so looking at, while your partner's gone, think about it. So looking at your ruler, why should you weigh out what's going to be the best measurement for our circle? Why?
Okay, now what was the task manager? Perfect.
You have millimeters too.
Don't forget your rulers.
But why do you think overall centimeters would be best? It is what's on your ruler, but looking at the size of the circle, why would centimeters be best? We'll see if Elizabeth can help you with it.
So Joel,
For your stage, what do we got?
I forget. Write down your units.
So we are trying to decide
Okay.
what the best.
Chris, don't forget to keep that in your table as well, okay?
Well, because for one, like these are small little changes that you're gonna make in the
Do you want me to do your
circle.
units in your table?
So it's just easier to
What are we measuring the
see it
radius?
centimeters instead of fractional parts of
Centimeters.
inches.
Yes. Okay, you're good. So go ahead and get started.
Yeah, that would be perfect. Or you can write it at the top. Those are both valid ways to create your table, okay? Tyler, you need some help?
I was gonna go weigh that.
Okay.
The second one.
It is grams. Harsh, you want me to roll the units? 8.1 centimeters. So, do you have an idea about how much that's going to weigh?
No, is it in grams?
It is in grams. Okay, so you think it's going to be pretty close to its radius? Okay. Well, let's see if that's right. Let's wait for Tyler to get back, and I'll come back to you, okay? Yes, ma'am.
From this point to this point, right?
Yes.
So if we measure it here, it's 8.1. Measure it here.
Why is it going to vary a little bit?
Because
Right, because of human error when cut it. We didn't cut it in an exact perfect. I would go with 8.1.
okay.
Get as accurate as possible, and if you need to test 2 or 3 radius around the circle, that's fine. Okay, so who needs to go weigh that now?
Can I give you a hand with the scissors? The further back you use, the easier it is to maneuver. If you,
There are 3 sets of scales, so if somebody's out at a scale station, there's one by the door, one in the back, and one in the front.
there's some here, they're all around.
Are these grams?
Yeah.
You got 8.1? Okay. So what are you gonna mass is gonna be?
I like how accurate you're being, Chris. Good job.
Why would you